Hello, everybody. Welcome. I'm going to give you another yen analysis. Yesterday, I had predicted that today we would start to see some sideways movement heading into consolidation move or retracement on Friday. However, what I'm going to do is zoom into a pound yen daily chart, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that didn't happen. We are now into what amounts to 9 days of some pretty strong upward movement, 9 consecutive days. What I'm going to do is kind of just start to scan this backwards, and you will see that that does not happen very often, where we get that many days of move, of strong move like that, without any sort of retrace. In fact, I have to go all the way back to late May, early June of last year to get a situation where we have so many consecutive upward days. But even then, this right here occurred on the 10th day, which would be for us, assuming this pattern holds, that would be tomorrow. There's an 11th day. There's a 12th, and then we can see that things started to really start to flip around in somewhat of a big way after a bit of a sideways move occurring. So, or I'm not sideways, but range bound really. And if I continue to move this thing, you will see that we have to go for long periods of movement like that. We have to go all the way out to the middle of 2008. Which was, coincidentally, global financial crisis time period. My point is that right now, there are some news feeds that are suggesting that an overwhelming majority of traders that trade pound yen are getting to be long in this currency. It is kind of a joke among institutional traders that when more than 75% of retail traders do something, that means that that pair is about to turn around and change direction. And that's the situation that we're in right now. So my caution to you is to be wary. We are even seeing situations where sentiment regarding the pound is up and all of that kind of good stuff. So I would be very careful heading into tomorrow, because assuming that previous patterns hold, and there is absolutely no reason to suggest that they won't, especially given that we are on a very low fundamental day tomorrow. So I very strongly expect to see tomorrow showing some sort of retrace in pound yen. Keep that in mind while you're trading, and I would recommend somewhat tight profit targets for your trades throughout the rest of the day, lest you get caught in the beginning of a sideways move heading into retrace for tomorrow. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the box below.